Mayamwa watch BM DM Samuel Kwaba Adom TV Badwam Dwumadie yi so yada apostle Dr. Nita Okutegwa say nkwanshen sama enebna yi so na daro mode ama ye ya yemfa na yemfa ntu anamode edu so ne Badwam kase nsema obete wo mu bi enimampani John Dramani Mahama ose asoafo bi a na nke wo se wo mu declare wo asset a wo mu anye no ene de hu nsensem no ode tudwa eno ne nsem bi na no pay Mede browse Adom TV, Badwam Kasi, I will share live on Facebook /Adom TV, Extra Go TV 119, DSTV 280, Oko YouTube search Adom TV 2, kwadomonline.com, and same way ni bebrin so ewo. Mede de afia amankwa tamaklo. Afia ni de mienti said and semni chemu ankasa etie. Ghana Mampani John Dramani Mahama na ese ene na appointees na dwuma ye 4. Ya wode to wani mo se ebedu march bosome de to so aduasa ba akode no bia e declare na japade nom ne ade won mo ani so no sei no e wo ho kwan se won bosome miensa akatua won mo e de hye Ghana Medical Trust Fund no emo.
An update provided by the Auditor General to my office indicate that some of you failed to meet that deadline. For all those who are appointed or nominated before 31st March 2025 and failed to meet the deadline, you are to forfeit 3 months of salary to be donated to the Ghana Medical Trust Fund, named after me, Mahama Cares.
Sa code of conduct for wonum eda ne die no ena soafo a wonum eye adwuma e wa aban yi mu no obehwe so e de abo wonum bra e de wonum adwuma se de be ya e be nkaka yi ama wonum no wonfa won ho enkohye keta asehye ene pro yi mu.
The code sets out consequences for breach, public apology, from public apology to reprimand, to suspension, to resignation, or ultimately termination. Let me assure you that these sanctions are not cosmetic, they will be enforced. And I will not hesitate to act firmly and decisively, no matter who is involved.
Political parties ahodo wo man Ghana mu MPPD wo ani mu nra wo mo kire bibi kakra de kire aban no efa CJ ye ne ye no e de free so ene judiciary adwuma no se de omo hunu se ekro no nyane kwan so no nti wo mo aye protest. He
wishes to fashion a judiciary in his image, subservient, pliant, loyal to party above law. It is no coincidence that His Excellency titled his memoir, My Fair. This is a direct assault on the principle of neutrality in our public administration. It is a betrayal of the values enshrined in our constitution, merit, impartiality, and service to the nation, not to any political party.
Ebeneza Humajiato, Clerk of Parliament, or no and Wujinam Rashibijane mu, Jane, some of Kuchi Gunkrata Sono, if you want one way or your children or no so any amani buni etchenkomo.
And now a sound my penny mamma etra, and I said, and a judge for to no mudia sama, as a word the cranusru, as o dear sama aban, who dear ma by now, except you being a fro. A bin a cost. And not in the MPP and no other political parties near Kabum said, "Way a Juma cost no mere cost a Ghana Dutch. A more central for my said here, a civil society, I said here, a suffer for us, I said, I saw my penny Mahama Pesu channel, and more my
judiciary, our man Ponwa, Wugita Marano, our interpreting Marano, our Ghana Memono. O man penny peso faculty quempeso, no say judiciary no, and no NPP amenuko, and a 1 million Ghanaians are. Who the danger about positive economy no yes
National Health Insurance Authority mpeni for say wo mo bekoso na wo ma ye free dialysis support no e de ama ye nduano ma e wa ho hie mu a wo mo ehia bie e wo mu sensakra ya hodo bi ekoso ne mom anya adwene no esa ban ye wo so yi sa free dialysis no won be yi de e free ho mu nsem ene.
I think the most important thing for us to say today is that if you have end-stage renal failure and you have to have dialysis, then when you go to the facility, you must have your dialysis. If there are challenges, let us know so that we can close those gaps. As to the back-end issues, I think it's not good to discuss them here. What Mahama Care seeks to do is to systematize the way that dialysis is done so that all across Ghana, people can have the care that they require. And for me, that is the most important thing.
Thank you very much.
Sisi National Health Insurance Authority no enipo hamuchichemu aduokono enum ena wo hwe wo mu a owo sa yade yi.
Now if you look at the NHI, even though we cover 95% of all disease conditions, sometimes there are gaps when it comes to some of them. We cover 4 childhood cancers and a few of the cancers, but not everything. So what Mahama Cares is supposed to do is to bridge that gap so that those diseases that are not already covered will be covered.
Enrana we are seeing that yidi esi hobo the rofa hand hygiene. Say ya kokro yensa na numu no WHO and as a World Health Organization penufo say ne o homunche mu aduoso 70% ya pomde adwuma yefo no dodo no ano enhoro won sa emunsem ene.
Evidence suggests that approximately 70% of healthcare workers do not routinely practice hand hygiene, and as little as 50% of surgical teams comply with hand hygiene best practice throughout a surgical patient's hospital stay.
And which committee member Waka National Infection Prevention Council no say one more say
that facility is a very huge facility, a tertiary facility. So you could see that their day-to-day was so heavy. So they had 1,276 opportunities. And out of it, 504 were grabbed.
Ori nyina mu no oswafo a wo hwe pomodin so covenant akando ochemu se fra fimpinu ne aduonu nsia ensa hohoro be ya ade a wombete wani ahwe e wa pomodi ahwe ya hodo emu.
Importantly, we have set a bold target. By 2026, all regional and teaching hospitals in Ghana will routinely monitor hand hygiene compliance and provide regular feedback as an integral part of their quality improvement frameworks.
Adom TV kasia na uguso ehwene yeguso ya wapomdin nsemu no sofo a wo shapomdin ho nsem kwabnamita kando na enedie wonma paw admission portal ya yede ma health training institutions no sabaya babia wo bia so ubetumi akọ abefo ntentan no so na ode ayewu djuma kasia no etwase
institutions are necessary school ene dia aka no enen ye pese sha ase ne ton forms no na emum ya ye nsakraye binum wo mo ye pese Ghana fo nyina ehu kane no na se opese auto forms a ministry no e generate bia friend codes na ya ton ya de codes na koma bank ahodo e bi ti se Ghana Commercial Bank anasa Agricultural Development Bank na banks no aton code no nti ukoto ansa na watumi anya access to the platform na wakwa register na wakwa apply but obi wo ho a obi te hweme ha ai wodwa aboso constituency mu obi wo asori dan ho obi wo nchense kokko so pese oba no be register gira ofri nchense kokko e badwa aboso ansa na ba be deposit sen ebia obey deposit 150 Ghana cedis kane no mo ton no 200 Ghana cedis see atiso e dey about 150 Ghana cedis ndi 150 ninti o foka a be koso be 50 Ghana cedis anasa 100 Ghana cedis ansa na watumi be deposit enye ka ni mu a wo tran so risk involve kra nka ho nti ni pese ye ne se ba bia wotie bia no obetumi atena ho na watumi apply nti ye de sa abefo kwantimpon so e de bibia abase sesia no se wokọ abefo kwantimpon no so a ubetue sika 150 Ghana cedis utue sika ni wi a afei portal ne bebie na afei de also filibia no wa fili o fili wi a ba bia otie na no na wasan asende application.
Chief Executive Officer ya Wadakoko Board no Dr. Ransford Abbey na wadeto koku akuafo sa 2025-2026 say kuku season no hyasie August bosumi no mu na no mu ntino wonmo eto ne bo no emu sade ye beto no na tumi aboanso ama koku akuafo da onmada
afia ye komu cocoa season no aye 25-26 ye be bie no bosumi a etoso wotwe August 2025-26 season no ye be bie no August nti wo hia so bia be hodi cocoa bia na ye bie season no so no ye the new price beba
Enwechi akuafo bia no won mu edi nkomo so de sansim ye tudwa
yempaba na
ya de ba kon ye haye paye ne bo no konsisi kodi wo afọ apagem ji ye hwese se ne ye yiwura ne kan no osome nwotwe no obadum ye no apagem ma akosoro na fe ahode aba adwuma no
aduro nsuo no aya yesuwa firifie ne de akọ ye mfuom ndi se won baboa ye se ne o kire ne na obetu nsuo no bi ma ye community aye wona se obetu gbowo ma ya ye ni beje pa ye retu ne nso no so agya tu nsesa ne ma no obeye
Tema Metro Education Director was share education so ye bene sofori but the two awofo ne achechefo nyina nim se ne abefo nim de technology no eno a enkura ye wo ho omo ye technology babies nti awofo ne achechefo ye nhwe ntrentre wo no mo fi se ye dani a eno a ena eka wa adesua ho se be ye ankura no emfanya ne bebi ensemfata ne momo de beboa onwumasua.
I encourage these children that anything they are taught in the book or they research on the net, they should practice. That is why these kits are available. Now you can get the kits, you can buy them, the robotic kits, and other ones are available.
One more was share sa can see any amani boni enkomo twetwe mu no wo kire butayentia e ma wonum edi sa adwume.
Nkwalani Asia 3D printing any modeling. So nkwalani the 8 means here how I mold 3D designs, AEC modeling, I'm printing 3D designs. And see phone cases are nkwalani 8 me print design printing phone cases. I'm designing printing phone stands. These are innovative ideas and nkwalani Asia send a bit me about it. I'm on mine 18 bone.
Adesuafo bi a no ka akansie no ho ene amani boni atwetwe nko.
So we are coming from St. Peter RC Basic School, and the reason why we did this project is to help the disabled. Most cars knock down disabled persons intentionally. So with this project, disabled persons get to control the movement of cars, on us when to stop and when to keep moving.
Maminya no so na Adom TV Badwam kase na hana brema kwan na no pay medesi meda wase mre ne adaje a wode maye wada ro ma twen ye nche ye de bon krata no ne online de etwaso yakwaba